Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 9 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your browser. So let's open the browser, and now I have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on delete browsing data, and here we've got, I would say, basic options which we can remove. So for example, the Google, the history of visited websites, tabs, cookies, cache, and other site data. You can change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, all time. And if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on more options, and here we've got the advanced options like saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days or all time. It's totally up to you, just tap on the option. Then let's tap on delete data, and the history has been immediately removed. We can check it right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.